Hi, it's Louise. Coming up on Christmas time, and also my birthday, which is on the 22nd. I'm having a party, inviting people to my new abode here in Lago Vista, Texas, in the hill country, in the deer country. The deer are everywhere, it's wonderful. And this is another state of the body, third transition video. You may not be able to tell, but I'm shaping up here a little bit. Nice, nice, nice. Even as I'm getting old and wrinkled, what can you do? I will be 70 this month. That's 70. That's a biblical reference to being 70 years old. A score being 20 years. So that's 3 times 20 plus a decade. Not quite there yet, but in a week and a half I will be. But, things are going well. I'm feeling healthy. As far as I know, I'm healthy. And we'll see how it all sorts out. I'm very blonde now. And had my hair cut a little bit shorter than usual, so it will all even out when it grows out. So that's the state of the wheeze this December 7th. I think it's the 7th. The day that will live in infamy. Had something to do with the Japanese bombing Pearl Daily or something. No, I don't want to make light of it. That was a very sad day in our nation's history. And it forced us into World War II, which I suppose is good for the world that we were forced into World War II. But if I may be political for a second, the fascists are back. That's all I'll say about that right now. Anyway, this is the wheeze on December 7th, 2017. And I'm looking as good as I have in years in many ways. Even though my face is falling and my neck is all turkey-like, which I suppose is kind of appropriate for the season. Anyway, that is the state of the body. That is this episode of third transition with the wheeze. Goodbye, YouTube.